guys. Hi guys, I'm in a fresh new account. We're gonna play. What do we play? Fresh out account, guys. The things that you saw in my video, that was my main account. So this is alt account because my main account is grinding. What do we play? I don't know what to really play. Is this? Wait a minute. Let's try. Wait. I heard this game from my friend, like Chop Your Tree. That game right there, that game. He said that game is quite fun. So let's give it a try. Wait, I don't want private server. Let's just test the game. I don't know if my friend is lying, but let's try. Gosh, my phone is lagging. So please guys, subscribe to my channel. Support me. Okay guys, what is this? Buy water. Okay, how do I? Oh, I know. I know how to play. Oh, I know how to play. Okay. But the tree is not ready yet. It's just level 1. Wait guys, how many money do I get? What? I only get 9 money. Level up. Wait, I saw something here. What's that right there? Hey, lucky block. Is this lucky block gonna scam me? Guys, what is playtime points? Tell me in the comments what is playtime points. Because I don't know what is it. What it is. Whoa, that guy is so rich. I hope what admin abuse? I'm just trying this game out. What is this? Auto tap. Oh, the auto this thing. Water. Wait guys, I will just pause the video. I will just take a poop. So it is lagging. Bye guys. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. It took a while. What is this? Buy an axe crate. Why am I so slow? Hope I get lucky. Please. Ready up. Let's look at this. Oh, 38%. Okay. Is this gonna be strong? Oh, 1 hit. Oh, I thought it was 1 hit. Okay. Whoa! It just got big. Damn. Level 3. It's now level 3. How many money do I get? Oh my gosh, 1,000. 1,000. I get 1,000 money. I'm so rich. Maybe I'm not. It is faster if you do it this way. Okay, let's put it there now. Let's chop. Oh, 1,750. I guess that's a lot. Let's upgrade. Let's wait till it's level 3. Oh, what's that? Oh my gosh, I have level 3. Oh my gosh. Oh, my level 3. My level 3 is now so big. What is this? 2 times luck. 2 times global luck. Damn. My friend wasn't lying when this game is so good. Oh, their trees are so magical. So cool. Level 45. Huh? Quadrillion? Oh my god, man. I wish I had that tree so that I have a lot of money. What is this? Double or nothing. Wait, I know this. Double or nothing. You put something there and you get 50-50. If you got nothing, it will disappear. If you get double, you get double. Okay, I'm not trying to steal. I don't even have Robux. If I become pro here, I will give everyone that is poor. What is this? Free? Free? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna join. Oh my gosh. What is this? 1.2 coins. Let's see how many we will get. Oh, 2,000. OMG. Oh my god. So good to be rich. I only get a few thousands. I'm just gonna like AFK doing this for a while. Gosh, it's hard to click. How many money do I have? Oh, sprinkle. Sprinkle sounds familiar. Sprinkle, like, wait guys, I'm just gonna pause. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. My mom just called me for a bit. Okay, What level is my watering can? Level 5. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna make my tree big. I told you. Level 5. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm laggy. I'm so laggy. I'm so laggy. Gosh, my friend is so annoying. It's just I'm lagging so bad. Gosh, man. Please, lagging. Oh, who's this guy? I can't chat. Oh my god, man. Why am I not talking? Not talking, bro. This guy is weird, man. This kind of hacker. It's just a little hacker. I'm just joking. I'm too weird, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm too weird, man. When will I ever change? I can't change, my brother. Oh, I got 1,000,000 now. I'm gonna upgrade my sprinkler. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging again. Oh, what is this, bro? Looks like alien. What the hell is that? Are you gonna give it to me? Oh my gosh! Bro gave it to me. So kind. So bad I can't unlock chat, man. Oh my gosh, I got the alien tree. You're one of the best, bro. Thank you. You're one of the best. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, man. That guy helped me a lot. I think I know that guy. Is that guy my friend? Oh, no. Oh, what is this? Do I click this, guys? This 2,000,000? I'm not gonna click it yet. I'm not gonna waste money. Oh, lucky block. Oh my gosh, that guy was so kind. I wish I can pay him, but he just left immediately. What is the... Oh my gosh, bro. What is the point of this video if a guy is just gonna give me... I don't know. I don't even know what to do. It's just too kind. I wish God could give him something in return. Some people in this world is just too kind. Wait, can I upgrade it all now? Damn, I have a lot of money. Thank you. My God, thank you, whoever you are. Oh my God, so kind. Oh, so guys, this is literally the end of the video because bro just gave me, and I think this is the max. I researched. My friend told me. Oh my God. Man. So guys, thank you very much for watching this. Bye guys.